Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notification. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has been commended for its proposed investment in deep-sea fishing. Some Niger Deltans who gave the commendation recently in Port Harcourt are optimistic that deep-sea fishing will create jobs and boost the Niger Delta economy. Our correspondent now tells us more.
Soon after the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, held its Public-Private Partnership Summit in April this year, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, has been meeting with prospective investors. One of the economic sectors the NDDC helmsman is passionate about is deep-sea fishing.
Around the Atlantic coastal line in this region, we don't even have a single fishing trawler. We want to partner with people that are going to fishing trawler businesses. This is an intervention agency. Let us also intervene in the food security of our people. Because for you to see fish and shrimp, we have the river, but these things will buy them at a very expensive rate. The people that fish in our coastal line are the Chinese. And they export this fish, they don't sell it to us. So let us partner as a people to think of how to change the narrative of this place.
For many, deep-sea fishing is an untapped gold mine in the Niger Delta, which accounts for 395 nautical miles out of the Nigeria's estimated coastline of 420 nautical miles. This is because fishing activity is confined to the creeks, as the local fisher folks in the Niger Delta cannot afford the equipment required to engage in deep-sea fishing. Former spokesperson for the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, I Chief Anab Sarigbe, welcomes the proposed investment in deep-sea fishing, which he says would provide food security for Nigeria as a whole.
Well, fishing is a very good investment. I said it's our traditional occupation. So if we are assisted with deep-sea fishing boats, definitely we are going to have the fish. We will make profit for ourselves and also the NDDC, for NDDC to also give loan to others. Two, we can also provide fish. Instead of Nigeria's importing fish, we can have surplus fish and also sell to the various cities in Nigeria, thereby conserving our foreign reserve. So I think it's a very good business, and I can assure you the return on investment is high.
Annual reports of the National Bureau of Statistics show that major oil-producing states in the Niger Delta have consistently ranked among states with the highest unemployment rates in the country due to an ailing industrial sector in the region. However, Dr. Isaiah Fube, an agriculturist, believes deep-sea fishing holds huge prospects for employment generation and wealth creation in the Niger Delta.
If the government and the people are responsive enough and invest massively in fishing activities, it takes away a lot of people from the labor market. Oil business might stop booming if we have restiveness. But if fishing and fishing activities are enhanced in Niger Delta, these aspects and these persons will be gainfully engaged, and it will help in the economy.
Dr. Fubi is also convinced that the penetration rate of a well-managed fishery industry would be massive in the Niger Delta.
And this is a place that is adored with all features that will enhance fishing and fishery activities. It has good environment. One thing in location of an industry is the availability of manpower, availability of resources, and as well as the availability of market. All these ones abound in the Niger Delta region. Niger Delta itself is cross-creeked with a lot of creeks, rivers, seas. and the oceans. So fishing and fishery activities are best done in the Niger Delta region.
With Nigeria's inflation rate currently at over 24%, many small and medium enterprises are in distress, forcing many Nigerians into the labor market. A well-developed fishery industry is expected to diversify the Nigeria's economy, generate employment and additional income for the country.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,